Overthinking isn't intelligence, it's fear wearing the mask of preparation. It's the mind pacing in circles, replaying conversations, imagining outcomes that haven't happened, and carrying problems that don't exist yet. Inner chaos doesn't come from life being loud, it comes from resistance, from trying to control what hasn't arrived and refusing to sit with what already has. Peace begins the moment you stop wrestling your thoughts and start observing them. You don't need to solve everything tonight. You don't need certainty to move forward. You need presence, because clarity doesn't shout, it settles. Stay focused, stay grateful, stay present.